Today we have this strange looking torchlight and it works with 6 dry cell battery, but I don't know what type of battery it required. Only I see the battery mark here, and it has 3 in this side and 3 other side. There is no brand name on it, only a logo, and in this back cover it written UK design, registration number 988991, and I will make this a 12 volt rechargeable version. One other thing, I will also change this old filament lamp and replace it with some LED strip. This one too, I will change this one also. It's also a filament light, and this glass is not good, so I decided to add this LED light in this position like this. Yes, I think after full modification it will looks fine. Let's see what can I do. This one is a blinker. I don't wanna replace it with LED, so I wanna keep it. We need it later. At first we should make a battery pack for this. Okay. For this project we need 3 battery, one 8650 battery and one 3S BMS. At first I am going to connect this battery to BMS. Now we successfully installed this 318650 battery with this BMS, and it's working just fine. This one port light, front one, middle off, back lamp, this one okay, working fine. This switch is for this blinker, something like that. At first it's glowing and start blinking, but now I'm going to do, I will keep this light and replace this one and this one. Let's see what can I do. One another thing, I will add this DC port in here for charging this device and DC output. DC in out port is ready, so now I will assemble it again. Before assembling, I'll remove this light bulb, solder this LED unit, front LED unit. Blue cable is positive, green one is negative. Yeah. Okay, front light is ready. Now cover this. Oh. Oh no, I missed this part. To open this, I can see. Great. Final task for front side. Bright LED, very bright. I wrap this LED with heat shrink tube, black heat shrink tube, so it looks nice. It looks fit with the main color of this torch. So front side of this light is ready, and now we will work for back side. Now what I can do, I will install a LED strip, two LED strip actually in this place. See what I can do. It's a 12 volt LED strip, and now I will use this here. I should cut this here and here, so I can use two strip. And for this reason I have to make a connection here to here. This one is negative and this one is positive. Solder black wire with this. Now cut this LED. This size is perfect for us. One piece, second piece. Okay. We have to use this aluminum piece also because it will produce some heat. If we don't use this, the LED will not work for a long time. Blinker side is also done, and there is nothing to do with that part. Okay, nice. Finally, I can put these two strips in this place, and it's working fine. So what I can do now, put this cover on it, just here, front, length, blinker. Finally, back cover. Nice. Finally, we make this light rechargeable and upgrade it with some LED. Thank you for your time. Please like and subscribe. Write some comment. Thank you.